Hello guys, today I will tell you how to transfer funds from Payoneer to Binance. So let's get started.
So first what you need to do is find the Binance application on your mobile device and open it up. At the bottom right corner of your screen, locate and tap the wallets option. Within this section, find and select the buy button which should be clearly visible. Choose your local currency such as PHP for the transaction. Enter the specific amount you wish to transfer to your Binance account and select the cryptocurrency you want to purchase. After entering your details, tap Pay with and choose card as your payment method. Then confirm your selection. If you haven't previously added your Payoneer card, tap Add New Card and enter all required card information, including number, expiration date, and CVV. Complete the process by confirming your transaction and following any additional verification prompts that appear. Ensure all details match your Payoneer card information to prevent transaction failures. This method provides a direct pathway for funding your Binance account using Payoneer, and that's how you transfer funds from Payoneer to Binance.